Hey friends, if you wish to encounter this issue where Windows update is stuck on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is obviously to wait. Just wait and watch if it helps, because Windows updates do need time, especially if they're cumulative updates. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to check the internet connection. So go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, which is to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for you and this will definitely fix your problem. Simply copy the script, it's in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.